This is physics. The topic is translational motion. Number one, which of the following numbers is given to four significant figures? To provide an explanation for this question, we need to review this diagram to understand the difference between all these digits. Number one is the non-zero digits. The non-zero digits represent the numbers from 1 to 9, and all these numbers are considered as a significant figure. Next is the zeros between these numbers. These zeros are also considered as a significant figure. Next, represent the leading zeros. And the leading zero represent the numbers before, or the zeros before of the non-zero digits. In this case, the leading zeros are not considered as a significant figure. These numbers, these zeros, are just used as a placeholders. And at the end, we have the trailing zeros. The trailing zeros represent the zeros after of the decimal. So in this case, in this example, I have just 1 zero after of the decimal, and the trailing zeros are considered as a significant figure. Based on this explanation, we are going to review the options to answer our question. First of all, we need to identify if this number has leading zeros. I can identify 4 leading zeros, okay? And after of this, I can identify the non-zero digits, number 2, and the trailing zero. So in this case, I have just 2 significant figures. Next, let's review what happened. In letter B, we can identify 3 leading zeros, but again, the leading zeros are not considered as a significant figure. So after this, I can count the number 2 as a non-zero and 0 as a trailing zero. So as a conclusion, in letter B, I can notice just 2 significant figures. What about next? In letter C, I can identify, first of all, the number 2. And this number 2 represent the non-zero digits. The non-zero digits are considered as a significant figure. I have 1. And after of this, I can notice 3 zeros after of the decimal point. So in this case, I can count these zeros as a trailing zeros. As a conclusion, I have 4 significant figures. And at the end, I need to review the letter D. In letter D, I can notice, first of all, the number 2. The number 2 is here, okay? I have the non-zero digits, number 2. And after of this, I can notice that there are 3 zeros, but there is no decimal point. So in this case, I can consider these zeros as a significant figure. As a conclusion, in letter D, I can count just 1 significant figure. And the solution for this question, the correct answer is the letter C, with 4 significant figures.